Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Fiat 500 versus Suzuki Swift. Let's dive into their distinct design philosophies. The Fiat 500 boasts an iconic, charming retro look that stands out. In contrast, the Suzuki Swift offers a more contemporary and practical design, appealing to a different taste. We'll explore how their exterior dimensions and styling cues create unique road presences. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Fiat 500 and Suzuki Swift offer a range of engine options, each with varying horsepower outputs. We'll examine their fuel efficiency, looking at the miles per gallon you can expect. Plus, we'll compare their acceleration times and top speeds to see which one offers a more spirited drive. Stepping inside, we find notable differences in interior space and overall comfort. The Fiat 500 often prioritizes style, while the Suzuki Swift focuses on practicality, offering more spacious cabin and trunk. We'll compare their infotainment systems, including screen sizes and connectivity options. Additionally, we'll review the safety features and driver assistance technologies available in each model. Finally, let's discuss the driving experience. The Fiat 500 often provides a nimble, city-friendly feel, while the Suzuki Swift offers a more balanced and stable ride. We'll assess their overall value proposition, considering pricing, running costs, and resale potential. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.